Hello friends and family wherever you are. I'm here to wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. And also to remind you just a few things that always happen in festive season. In festive season, we get a lot of excitement because we're going home to meet our families and friends. Now, let's have one thing at the back of our mind. Let's enjoy this Christmas without committing crime. A crime-free Christmas. Let's also focus at our most important goals. Don't spend all that you worked for in 2022. Set the 2023 goal. What you have not achieved in 2022, plan for the achievement in 2023. Starting from mere goals like doing exercise to lose your weight to other bigger goals like starting a business or expanding your business. Christmas is around the corner because it's December. To those who are celebrating around the world, I wish you a wonderful celebration. And when the New Year Eve comes, enjoy. For now, also happy choice at World Cup. That's all from Nairobi Gates. Bye bye.